your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight.
Hey guys, it's your girl Millie, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So as you guys can tell by the title, this will be a quick little review slash showing you guys how I install these clip-ins in my hair. So I got these clip-ins from Kiqibeauty, and I will link a link to their website in my description box. If you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please click the link below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little video of me like unboxing it and sending me only one pack of the Afro Curly Clip-in. This is how the Afro Curly Clip-in looks, guys. And I'm lucky kind of excited to try it because I like the color. It doesn't have a strong smell, but it have a hair smell. Get what I'm saying? So I mean, all hair is gonna have a hair smell regardless because it's been in the factory. So I think that's normal, but it's not stink to me. But I'm trying to figure out how to take this thing apart because this is like super secure, y'all. This is all the pieces of clip-ins that they are sending. This is a quick and simple look, guys, that anyone can do. But if you guys want to see how I install these clip-ins in my hair and create this little bun right here, guys, please continue watching. I know the clip-ins look very frizzy and puffy right now, y'all, because I've been wearing this style for like a week and I just take it down to show you guys a video of how I install this clip-in. If I use some curling products or if I damp this hair with water, the hair will be back to its natural state, but that's not the look I'm going for because I'm going to put my hair into a bun. I want this hair to be puffy and frizzy. I was gonna put some of the clip-ins at the front of my hair to make it as a bang, but I didn't like how it was turning out, so I just brushed it in together, and then I use a scrunchie and I just put it all together, guys. So now I'm just brushing it in some more, and I'm just gonna rock this old simple ponytail little bun or whatever I'm gonna do with it. was looking and stuff, and this is how the back is looking. I've been rocking this style for like a week now, and I really like it so far. So far, these clip-ins come in pretty handy. I really like the color. I feel like the color complements me so much. But these clip-ins, guys, these clip-ins is gorgeous. If you want to use the clip-ins only for a ponytail or to do a bun, I would say a 1-pack is good enough. But if you want to do like a full head, I would suggest you to get 3 to 4 pack of this clip-in, because one pack of this clip-in is not gonna do it, guys. It's definitely not gonna do it. Yeah, so that's basically it. And so bye guys, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.